Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a task in TickTick. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your TickTick app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll see several options including Today, Inbox, or any custom lists you've created. Click on whichever option contains the task you want to delete. This allows you to navigate directly to where your tasks are stored, making it easier to locate the specific item you need to remove. Now, once you've opened your preferred list, locate the task you want to delete. When you find it, simply right-click on that task. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Delete. This action will immediately remove the task from your list without any additional confirmation required. The task will be automatically deleted from your list, keeping your workspace clean and organized. This is particularly useful when you've completed a task or if you've added something by mistake and need to quickly remove it. But what if you need to delete multiple tasks at once? TickTick makes this process just as straightforward. Instead of deleting tasks one by one, you can select multiple tasks simultaneously. To do this, simply hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on each task you want to delete. You'll notice that each task you click becomes highlighted, indicating it's been selected. This bulk selection feature is incredibly helpful when you're doing a cleanup of your task list or removing several completed items at once. After you've selected all the tasks you want to remove, look over to the right panel of your screen. You'll see a Delete button appear there. Click on this Delete button and all the selected tasks will be removed from your list in one go. This saves you valuable time compared to deleting each task individually, especially when you're managing larger projects or doing regular maintenance of your task lists. And that's it. You've now cleaned up your TickTick workspace by removing unwanted tasks, whether it's a single item or multiple tasks at once. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.